What a distorted flashback that song was. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Wow, the build is continuing on like clockwork. This is an excellent crew. It's a crew of 9 today, but it's been 10. And they're getting ready to crank it up to 20 to pour that pad. As soon as they get everything adjusted right and everything, it's gonna go up to 20. And it's just gonna be for 24 hours. So non-stop 24 hours. So Gary, his crew works for him whether, the owner is there or not. They like him. And I like Gary. So everything revolves around that and everything gets done. So they're actually working in the rain. It's not a hard rain, but you're gonna get wet in 45 minutes and then you're gonna be wet unless you gotta change your clothes. So it didn't rain all day, so that's a good thing. So anyway, right now they're still working on tying rebar, what we call in the West rebar, and they call it deform bar. They're tying the corners with tie wire, and they already welded the deck down to the beams that go all the way around and all the walls that it laid in there and got welded right to those rebar or deform bar. And then these will have stubs on them that also get welded down to the decking. There'll be a little piece of rebar coming off to hold this rebar up off of that decking a little bit, and it'll also get welded to the rebar. And so where the weld is kind of messes up the galvanization, and it will be painted with epoxy primer. And so that to avoid any kind of way the salt water can get down through the galvanization. Anyway, galvanized steel can corrode too, so eventually it's going to do it too. But it's all going to get fixed up with epoxy stuff, when everything's said and done. But up underneath of it, I'm not going to mess with that except for the spots, so nobody sees that. So, I don't know. If you're visiting there, you're gonna see it because you're gonna be walking under there. The dirty kitchen's gonna be under there. Little storage room. And, you go to the beach, you're gonna get hot or something. That's gonna be the best shade under there. So I don't know. Over there by that corner, where the bamboo is. But I'm on the mend, and I'm gonna be back on the job site soon. So that's that. I'm itching to get there because I'm going to get there. I don't care if I'm sick or not. I don't care if I'm deathly ill. I'm going to be there for that pad pour. There's no doubt about that. But I think it's going to be sooner than that. The medicine that they gave me, it's finished on Tuesday. So that's the latest day that I'm saying that I'm not going to be on site. So thanks to all my new subscribers, and especially thanks to my old subscribers who stood with me there thick and thin. And I love all you guys, And back in America, everywhere across the world, it doesn't matter where you're from to me. It just matters who you are. Peace out from 62 to Freedom.